Hi guys, this is Mike here from Pro-Forex Live. We've got permission from one of our students to allow us to share a trade that an account that she's recently opened. In fact, she opened it in early October, and so what happens is she's taken our course, and she's now trading her live account, and we call the trades for her. In other words, she gives me a call in the mornings, and I give her some advice on what trades to take, and then we more or less trade together. So I'll be sticking with her for a few months until she gets the hang of this, and she's very happy with her progress at the moment. In other words, her account is up by 25% in only 9 trades. So I thought I'd share this with you and maybe walk you through it. And this is something you can print out on the excellent platform that MetaTrader 4 is, or MetaTrader 5 as we have nowadays. So I'll just take you through it. So the account was opened for $10,000, and this was on the 2nd of the 10th this year, just over a month and a half ago. And here are the first 3 orders then were pending orders. That is, we pushed in an order limit where we expected the price to go, and after a certain amount of time it didn't reach that, so we cancelled that. Here is one where we lost. Here's another one where we cancelled a pending limit order, and then you can see we've had a good few wins all the way along here, a loss here. This you could more or less say was a scratch trade. When we say scratch trade, we would have placed a trade, and then perhaps some news came out, or the trade hadn't been moving, and we decided just to close it out because basically we'd lost confidence in that trade. And here again we have a number of wins all the way along here. Now Stephanie has as well given me permission to upload some YouTube videos of her trades, and you'll probably see them on our website at www.proforexlive.com, and you'll see some of the exact figures here onto the YouTube videos with me explaining how the trades were taken and what we were looking for in the setup. So Stephanie has mirrored my trades, and she's very happy now that she's up 25%. So you can see the account now stands at $12,510. You can see that over here, and the closed trade profit and loss was 2,500. Now this is a beautiful equity curve. So as you can see there, we opened the account, then we had a slight dip with the first loss, and then straight up. So we have a nice rising equity curve, and we're going to share this page with you over the course of the next month or so as we continue to help Stephanie to grow this account. Again, you can see all the great stats that we have down here: the gross loss, the total net profit, the drawdowns. The total number of trades was 10. I in fact counted 9 because I took this 38 minus 38 is just a scratch trade, but let's call it 10. It's a nice round figure. And then the largest profit was 798. The average profit, the maximum, the consecutive losses was 2, and the consecutive wins was 4. So what we're trying to say here is that you certainly can be allowed some losses, but it's how you manage your account. And in the case here, our account was based on $10,000. So the positions that we took, so we're trading with one lot, as you can see over here. So that's basically $100,000 trades, and you can see the buys and the sells here. And we mostly stuck with the tried and provens, the ones with pretty good liquidity, which of course is always the euro US dollar. And then we took advantage of some GDP US dollar moves, especially news event moves, where we looked upon them as a very high probability of making some money. So the last trade was taken just today, and in fact, if you look at this figure here, 236, we've just posted a video on our website with that figure. I'm sure you'll see these ones as well in previous videos. So here's a typical example of how you can make a 25% profit on an account And by the way, Stephanie wasn't trading every day, so it was only when she was coming in, and I should mention as well, she's still holding down a day job. So this is a typical example of how our students hold on to their day jobs, which I think is very wise, and at the same time they're learning then how to build their account, so that once they have the confidence of doing this, and this is some extra income for her. I mean, this can be cashed out straight away if she wishes for coming up to Christmas, and she can start again with her original capital of 10k. So this is so she's very happy with this, and we're very happy to help her, her being a past student of ours. So there's not much more to say about this. Is that this is the kind of service that we offer to our students. Take them through the course when they've got the confidence then to go from paper trading. So Stephanie did paper trade for about 6 months, and then she definitely wanted to get in on the action. She opened an account, and this is the result of it. So if this is something that would interest you, you're absolutely well within your rights, and I'm sure your capabilities if you're serious about learning this business to make this kind of money. So I won't say this, so these are kind of cautious trades, really. In other words, we're not jumping in and out scalping every 5 minutes of every day. We're looking for good positions, which is an ideal way to build up. And in fact, all of these 10 trades could have been taken in 1 week, or let's say 5 trades a week, and even at the most in 2 weeks. So we could have made this kind of profit in equally in 2 weeks. So this just gives you the an idea of the potential of Forex, and how you can make money with proper risk management. Now, as this account grows, we will be growing at the size of our account as well. So you can see we started off with a half size here, and then we went up to 1 full lot, and now we're on 1 full lot as we're continuing to make money. Now, we will eventually, as the account grows and as our risk, the amount of risk that we trade or that we allow on our total account grows, well then so will, as I say, the size of our lots. So we might be taking 1.5 lots and 1/3 lot, and then we'll be up to 2 lots. So if this was 2 lots that we traded all the way through, this figure would be at 5k, as you can imagine, and that would be 50% profit. But anyway, 25% profit. If you try going to a bank or any investment house anywhere in the world, I don't think you're going to get 25% return on your money in that space of time. So as I say, keep watching out for posts like this, and we're going to show you how we're going to grow this account, which will absolutely prove that that anybody who takes this business serious and who goes to the right training course can actually do this as well, with proper training and proper risk management, and not to be in too much of a hurry to try to make $1 million in 1 year or anything as stupid as that. So minimum set constants, a small bit but consistent. Okay, so yeah, we're very proud of this. Stephanie's very proud of this equity curve, and so are we, because it vindicates our teaching methods, and we're very happy for her. So so we close with that now, and as we always end up, if you do like this video, just subscribe to our channel, and post a like, and actually sign up, and we can send you a lot more examples of these trades. So thanks again, and the very best with your trading. Thank you. Goodbye.